आज हम आपके साथ बात करेंगे क्लास 10th ICSE. So from today onwards we are going to start up with class 10th ICSE. Today is the first lecture and we are going to start with the commercial mathematics. In commercial mathematics, the first topic is GST, means goods and services tax. Before this goods and services tax, government used to take different direct and indirect taxes from all the businesses, from all the services providers. So now they have made a single tax throughout the country. Now, what is the syllabus for class 10 this year? I have mentioned all the syllabus here. In this chapter, you will find computation of tax, including problems involving discount, list price, profit, loss, selling price, and even the inverse cases, means they can give you the total amount paid by the consumer and they can ask what is the profit, what is the loss, or what was the discount given on that. Same, the problems involving SGST and CGST and even IGST will be discussing in this chapter. So ये जो भी topics हैं, जो भी terms हम लोग use करेंगे, will be discussing about all the terms and the topics. We will discuss all these with few examples. I'll be giving you questions, then we'll discuss the terms involved in that, and then we'll find out the solution. So we'll take 2-3 examples of all these kinds, and if you find that you require much more, you can send me a message. So let's start up with the problem solving of commercial mathematics, the part 1, which is GST. Let's start. Okay, let's start this question. For the following transaction within Delhi, ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट इज दिस विद इन दिल्ली? किसी भी शहर के अंदर बात हो रही है या किसी भी स्टेट के अंदर बात हो रही है, तो वहां पर आपको मालूम है दिल्ली इज अ स्टेट नाउ, तो सेम स्टेट के अंदर ट्रांजैक्शन हो रही है. सो वी कॉल दिस इंट्रा स्टेट, इंट्रा. एंड इफ इट इज फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट, देन इट इज इंटर. इंटर, इंट्रा मीन्स विद इन द सेम स्टेट. अगर सेम स्टेट में वर्क हो रहा है, सो वी फाइंड CGST एंड SGST. और अगर इंटर स्टेट होता है तो वी जस्ट फाइंड ओनली IGST. तो आपको ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है, मेनली आपके पास CGST और SGST से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. सो इंट्रा स्टेट मिल जाए, सेम स्टेट के अंदर काम हो रहा है, तो आपने ध्यान रखना है वट एवर is the percentage of GST, you have to make half of it for CGST and half of that for SGST. When we will solve this question, you will understand it in more open way. So let's start with this kind of question. We need to find out the amount of bill, discount, selling price, CGST and SGST, and they are also asking us to find out IGST. So as I told you, as it is intrastate, so IGST will be 0 for this. Now let's see. MRP is rupees 12,000 and discount percent is 30%. So first of all, we will find out the value of discount. So discount is 30%, means 30 by 100 of 12,000. So these two zeros are cancelled. So it is 3,600. So first thing, discount we have found. The next thing is selling price. So let's find out the selling price. What is selling price? Selling price is the MRP minus this discount. MRP minus discount. Sometimes we have a little confusion. This is also discount, this is also discount. That is not discount, that is discount percentage. They have not given you the discount, they have told you what is the discount percentage. The discount is here. So the value is 12,000 minus 3,600. So it is 8,400. So your selling price is 8,400. Now the next is CGST and SGST. So now, as I told you, it is intrastate, so we will have both these things, but each will be half of it. CGST will be 9%. 9% of what? 9% of this selling price. So CGST will be 9 by 100 of 8,400. 9 4s are 36. 9 8s are 72 plus 3 is 756. And SGST, that will also be 9% of this 8,400. So you will get rupees 756. So what is the IGST? IGST, that will be 0, as the case is intrastate. Now the next thing which we have to find is the amount of bill. So amount of bill will be amount of bill will be equal to selling price plus CGST plus SGST, and that is equal to 8,400 plus 756 plus 756. So 6 plus 6 12, carry over 1. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, carry over again 1. Now it is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19, carry over again 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this amount is your bill. So the customer has to pay 9,912 of the item whose maximum retail price was rupees 12,000. So the shopkeeper gave him a discount of 30%. Then we find out the discount was 3,600. The selling price was this. Then CGST, SGST, IGST. I hope the concept of this discount or discount percentage clear. So now let's have one more example. Okay, example number 2. An article is marked at rupees 15,000. This is the mark price. Dealer sells it to a consumer at a profit of 10%. In the previous example, we have discussed about the discount. Here, we will be discussing about the profit. So now, let's start the solution. So we will consider this mark price as the cost price, rupees 15,000. Profit percent is 10%. So first of all, we will find out the profit. How much profit is gained by the shopkeeper? So it is 15,000, 10% of 15,000, these two zeros are cancelled. So 1,500 is the profit gained by this shopkeeper. So what is the selling price? Selling price will be 15,000 plus profit, that is 1,500, 16,500 is the selling price. Now the rate of GST is 12%. The GST will always be occurred on this selling price. Here they have not told us whether this transaction is being done intrastate or interstate. They have not asked any CGST, they have not asked any SGST, IGST. So we will directly find out the GST. So GST means total tax is 12%. 12% means 12 by 100 of 16,500. So it is 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72, plus 6 is 78, 12 1s are 12 plus 7, that is 19. So GST is 1980. So amount of tax paid by. So amount of tax is 1980. Total amount paid by the consumer. So total amount is equal to the selling price, means 16,500 plus 1,980. So 0, 8. It is 18,480 rupees. So in the next video we'll discuss the input tax, output tax also. So for today it is okay, these two questions. If you are not able to understand anything, please do comment me. If you are able to understand, so please give a like to this video. Thank you very much.